Hi everyone, thought I'd share with you my Lego Mickey Mouse Steamboat Willie unboxing. I have seen this on the Lego Ideas quite a while ago and there was a voting system for it. As you can see, this says Lego Ideas 24, however that is a misprint on the box, which I know it sounds odd, but I'm quite excited about that because it means that it was from the first printing, the first release of this set. It should actually say Lego Ideas 25. So let's take another look at the box. So you've got Mickey and Minnie. I love how Minnie's got a little guitar. So it's meant for 10 plus. The number is 21317. So you've got the components, where they were made, the Disney copyright, FSC there. So just spin that around. You've got a nice sort of metallic silver lining there. A really cute Steamboat Willie there, the little logo in silver. You've got some images there, which is to scale. Again, Mickey Mouse in silver there, Steamboat Willie there. Also on the back here, I didn't see this before, but you've got the different sets that you can make this set into. So there's a few other ideas here. And again, new Lego product. Share your idea, so that's the Lego Ideas. Just wanted to point out, boat does not float, in case you didn't know. Just flipped that over on the top. As you can see, Mickey is poseable, and 1:1 scale on the top there. So that's it from the outside. It's quite a solid box, and all in all it's come in good condition. This was ordered off the Lego store, so from their official website. I'm not sure where else is stocking it at the moment, but I know this was released on the 1st of May. So time to get this open. So this is what we've got inside. I was not expecting so many bright colours for what is essentially a black and white set, but we will see what these are all for. So number one, with all the Lego sets, they are numbered, so they're numbered through depending on how many sections of directions you have for each bit. So again, another bit for number one, number three, got Mickey's steering wheel there, number two, another bit for number three, and we've got number one again there, some two bits of the boat, which I'm surprised are separate. I would have thought they would have been included in a bag. Then number two. So also, I've got to say, I do love the instruction books. Finally, here is the instruction book. So I am a big fan of the Lego instruction books. I've got the Disney Lego Castle as well, and they're kind of works of art in their own right. So you've got, first off, you've got some really nice artwork here. Gives some background around Steamboat Willie and the people who designed this set. And then we've got Steamboat Willie there. Look at him in his hat. I love that so much. Few more instructions there, where to go on their website. Oh, there we go. So that's where all the different coloured parts come into play. So that's all like the cogs underneath. Very excited to make this. I will show you the finished product, and that's the back there. Yeah, it looks to be a very nice set, but I will share with you how I get on and what it looks like at the end. Thank you very much for watching.